Okay, so the final task for this lesson is just to write 1 or 2 paragraphs of the mooching about guide um, from your own perspective. So you get the tone was quite humorous, a little bit jokey, a little bit sarcastic. Um, there are some guidelines here for your grade for what your target grade is. So if your target grade is 4 to 5, you have to include 2 Duff-Roast techniques and a modal verb. If it's 6 to 7, you must also try and include a metaphor and a hyperbole, which is a form of exaggeration. And 8 to 9, you must try and also have a lively and humorous tone. And there is an example of a well-written sentence that could work in this type of writing. So to mooch, you have to make sure you have access to Netflix so you can binge on a whole series in a day. Now, what I would do first of all is think about playing to your strengths. How do you mooch? There's no point about writing about how to mooch about your house on Netflix if you never watch TV, for example. Um, so make a little list of ways you mooch, or go back to that slide from the beginning where you were asked to do that, and then pick 2 of those to focus on in your paragraphs. Okay. So I reckon if this was me writing, I do most of my mooching in a leopard print dressing gown. I'm not going to go and get the leopard print dressing gown and show you what I look like when I mooch. But it's important to be comfy, and that student focused on that a little bit, didn't they? I also get distracted from what I'm actually mooching doing by scrolling on my phone for ages. So you can include how your phone has made a whole generation more likely to mooch or something like that. So there's a couple of ideas there. But it'd be really good if it's something really personal to you that you write about. Okay.